Tesla's Model Pi phone versus the Apple iPhone 13 Pro. Which phone has the best features? The amazing Tesla Model Pi mobile phone is another Elon Musk-inspired device for Tesla fans to look forward to. The smartphone, meanwhile, would contend with some of the other smartphones in the market, such as Apple's famous iPhone. Apple disrupted the smartphone market when it introduced the iPhone in 2007. Will Tesla do the same with the Pi phone? Will the Tesla Pi phone be superior to Apple's iPhone? Let's find out. Apple has become a household name because it sells quite as many smartphones as it can. The Cupertino-based corporation sold about 200 million smartphones worldwide last year. There's really no denying that Apple does a lot of great things with its iPhones, which it refreshes every year. It is nevertheless almost certain to welcome a new challenger. The world's richest billionaire, who seems to have virtually limitless resources to invest for his innovative products, is backing this current contest. The Tesla Pi phone possesses all it needs to be successful with Musk's support. If people are still not convinced, consider that Tesla currently offers many more electric vehicles, while SpaceX is putting satellites into space at incredible speeds for its own and additional clients, and also transports NASA astronauts to space and back. Millions of Musk enthusiasts surely prefer to use a phone designed by Musk to complement their other Tesla items. So, let's compare Tesla's Model Pi phone versus Apple's iPhone 13 Pro. The method used in production. Apple is well known for not manufacturing its phones. Instead, the corporation designs and develops smartphones in the United States before contracting out the real manufacturing. Camera lenses, CPUs, displays, and other equipment are made by partners all over the globe. Apple's main competitor, Samsung, has produced batteries for the company. Bosch Sensortech in Germany manufactures the accelerometer, while ST Microelectronics in Switzerland manufactures the gyroscope. Foxconn and Pegatron, both based in Taiwan, but with plants in a variety of locations that assemble Apple's iPhones. Tesla might establish its own manufacturing facilities if it wishes to keep its legacy of building its own goods. Establishing a factory for making products, on the other hand, is not the same as EV plants. The corporation might potentially take a conservative approach and outsource the first few units. Tesla's Model Pi phone versus Apple's iPhone 13 Pro comparison. Camera. Apple iPhone 13 Pro camera. According to speculations, the camera system of Apple's and Tesla's are extremely similar. Nevertheless, the iPhone 13 Pro, the most recent and most capable iPhone, features 3 lenses on the rear. The iPhone shoots fantastic shots, even photos with a wide lens. Tesla Model Pi phone camera. The Tesla Model Pi phone has 4 lenses, according to reports. More could have been done with the Model Pi phone. Anyone could, for example, gaze at the Pi phone at a clear night and shoot at the sky with high-resolution photos without having a long exposure. Users can also shoot pictures with one lens while filming with another. Front. Apple iPhone 13 Pro front. The iPhone is known for its tilting screen. Apple, in effect, made this style renowned. The front camera and other sensors are housed in the notch. Several phone manufacturers, on the other hand, have experimented with other designs, such as a perforated camera. The notch has only ever been lowered in size by Apple, and several people dislike the design because it consumes precious screen real estate and detracts from the appearance, but they must accept it in order to be using an Apple iPhone. Tesla Model Pi phone front. Model Pi phone, on the other hand, lacks both a notch as well as a punch, keeping the screen seamless and appealing to the eye. The secret is that Tesla has hidden the camera beneath the screen, out of sight until people really need it. Another feature of the Model Pi phone that the iPhone lacks is a fingerprint scanner beneath the screen. One may unlock the Pi phone simply by putting a finger on a certain section of the screen, which is a really convenient method. Back. Apple iPhone 13 Pro back. The smartphone has a rough matte glass back that is susceptible to fracture when dropped, and is why people should put a case on it as soon as users get it out of the box. On the back of the device, there is a large Apple logo. Tesla Model Pi phone back. The Pi phone also features a big sticker on the back, but it can change the color depending on the amount of sunshine it receives. This can be attributed to the phone's photochromic covering. Charging. Apple's iPhone 13 Pro charging. The iPhone can be charged remotely rather than through a connector, with criticisms abound about just how sluggish the other is in comparison to the other premium phones. Tesla's Model Pi phone charging. While wireless charging for the Pi phone still has not been announced, this would contain inbuilt solar panels that would allow users to charge it using solar power rather relying on a connector. Tesla has a solar panel manufacturing facility, so this shouldn't be a problem. Processing power. Apple iPhone 13 Pro processing power. Every year, Apple improves the processor in the iPhone. The A15 Bionic chip is featured in the newest iPhone, along with an additional GPU in the flagship device. Tesla Model Pi phone processing power. While Tesla has not revealed the specifics regarding the Pi's phone chipset, it's expected to be formidable, because the Model Pi phone would be used to mine cryptocurrency. Of course, at this moment, it's well known that the Pi phone will physically travel further than the iPhone, because it will be used by colonists on Mars. Musk wants people to be allowed to live on Mars indefinitely, and thus he has created a cryptocurrency for any of them to do commerce and earn a living with. It's for this reason that he's manufacturing Mars Coin. Pi phone will be able to mine Mars coins. Whether people are here on Earth or Mars, the phone will act as a personal wallet. Customers can pay for groceries, gas, and other purchases without having to access the wallet or credit cards. The Model Pi phone would require a strong microprocessor, mostly because of cryptocurrency, but also because it would feature Oron technologies from Musk's Neuralink, which attempts to read impulses from the human mind by transplanting chips within. And I know what you're thinking, neural technology? But it's not for nefarious intentions. The technology aids in the treatment of various medical conditions and may be able to assist persons with speech impediments in putting their thoughts on paper. Satellite connectivity. iPhone 13 was supposed to include a satellite connection, but this did not happen. Tesla Model Pi phone satellite connectivity. Pi phone, on the other hand, would indeed be able to use Tesla's Starlink satellite services to connect with the internet at high speeds. You've definitely heard of Starlink, one of Musk's newest ventures, which is gaining traction like wildfire. Despite the fact that the service is still in beta, technical testers seem willing to pay for the dish and per-month access to high-speed internet anywhere on Earth via SpaceX's Starlink satellites in space. The service will shortly be released from beta, and more individuals will be able to use it. Nevertheless, something more intriguing is that SpaceX has registered to provide telephone services. While the specifics of the offerings have yet to be released, there really is no question that the Pi phone will profit. It's possible that users won't need to buy a SIM card to use the Pi phone. Integration with other Tesla products. Many Tesla car owners are using the Tesla app on their iPhone to control the automobiles. Nevertheless, because Tesla doesn't own the phone's operating system, the app remains a third-party owned app, limiting some functions. However, the Tesla Model Pi phone will be more tightly integrated with Tesla vehicles and other items. Solar panels, house batteries, energy solutions, and so on are examples. Availability. The Apple iPhone has been around for quite a long time, and Apple continues to release new models year after year. However, the Model Pi phone is still on the way, as Tesla has yet to finalize the features and the design, but nothing says it will take longer to be available. What do you think about the Apple iPhone and the Tesla Pi phone? Which one of them will you want to have? Make sure you let us know in the comment section below. Thanks!